Here's how you can invoice your clients with Bonsai. If you want to send invoices to your clients, Bonsai would help you. In order to create an invoice on Bonsai, this is how you can do it. First of all, go onto your Google browser and search for Bonsai. You'll need to log in or sign up with an account. You can give your email and password in order to log in or sign up, or you can just sign up with your Google or your Apple account. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see some options on the left side. What you need to do is go on to this option. This is the financial management option. Here you'll see a lot of options like invoices, income, expenses, and road cards. In this scenario, we need to make an invoice. So go and click on the invoice option. Here now you can create an invoice. Click on create an invoice. You'll have some option in terms of invoice type. Single invoice, recurring invoice, subscription invoice, and bundled invoice. Select the one that you want. Next thing you can do is selecting your client. You can add up a new client or just send it to a sample client. Next, you need to add up a name of your client and the email and give your project a name. Once you do all that, click on create invoice. Next thing you can do is just, if you want to, you can add recipients, you can add up the price and the total or the quantity of the project you did. You can add new rows from here. You'll have an invoice number and everything. You can also put up a background, a profile, and the actual name. Like you can select to display your logo from here. You can edit the payment methods or client pays fees. Once you go through all that, you can just click on send now, and now you can easily send the invoice through email or through a URL link. That is how easily you can create invoice and send it to your clients by using Bonsai. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe.